Yo, what's good, YouTube?
Alright.
I'm in Animal Company
go.
today, and we're gonna be doing something. I don't know what. Matthew, you have a yacht, by the way.
I gotta give you the VIP. Here's the VIP.
Ooh. How do you twerk, bro? I'm about to make a cooking with Kai episode.
Yeah, you have to move up and forward.
I don't really know how to move in this game.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me put my pickaxe in my backpack real quick. Some people's gonna get so
There we
heated.
go.
Some people's gonna get so heated because I said book bag. They're gonna be like, actually, it's a backpack.
Okay.
Where are you guys at?
Alright. So gear up. Okay. Hold on, wait. Okay. Hey, let me put a grappler in my book bag. Hey, yeah. Alright, I got everything I need.
Hold on. Let's go, boys. Why is it so dark? It's so dark.
Alright, follow me. Hey, y'all need. Hey, alright, hold on. There's a mimic here. There's a mimic. So.
What's a
Hey,
minute?
get chill. Hey, let me kill him.
Why am I taking damage?
Alright. Oh, that's the guy's. Did I kill him? Ow!
Guys, I'm getting scared. I think I'm gonna kill him.
I need the purple gem. Hey, why'd you hit me? Hey, wait, can I have that purple? Yeah. Let me get that. Alright, hold up. Let me mine it! Ow, bro. I'm sorry. No! Let me mine them! You make me mad. Okay, there we go. Bro, he stole my pickaxe!
Wait, what? Who?
He stole my pickaxe! Who? How do I get it back? This kid stole my pickaxe! What kid? The mimic stole my pickaxe! I can't get it back! How do I get it back? Guys, I see the spider!
What? Oh heck no, bro! If there's a spider, I'm good. I'll stay right here.
I killed it! I killed it! Get the pickaxe! I killed it, bro. Hey, get the pickaxe. No, get away from there. Oh! Jesus! I got light. I got
a big boy flashlight.
Wait, we do? Where? No, you do. You got light. That is a small flashlight. Oh, hold up. Reload your shotguns. What? How? Okay. Alright, I'm ready, guys.
Bro, I'm following this kid.
This kid is gonna come back alive, maybe.
What is? The spider?
The mimic.
What's the mimic? What's the mimic do?
Oh, the guy that started chasing us. He copies us. Yeah, he acts like us.
Oh, does he really?
Alright, come on, follow me.
Hold on, I just took damage. I don't know what happened. Why did I just take damage? Oh, the spider!
There's a spider.
Oh my god.
Run!
What happens?
Come on, get to my balls. I don't know where to hide.
got it.
Don't jump down. Jump this way. Come over here.
I got it. It's up on my ball sack.
I stuck a whole bag of jelly beans on my no.
No, what? Oh, no! I just died.
He died.
I just died. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back.
You died.
You guys just wait there. I'll be right back.
Yo.
I'm on my way back right now. Guys, I'm on my way back right now. I'm gonna get a flashlight. Can you guys hear me?
Yo, bro, where you
Yeah.
at?
I'm on my way.
Hey, go back to to spawn.
Oh, I'm on my way back right now. I'm gonna just run from the mimic if I see it.
Hey, Jaden, stay there. We're coming.
I found an RPG. Can I blow up the mimic? I see the spider. What happens if I see the spider? What do I do? What do I do? Yo, Matthew, I see you.
Yo, where are you?
Where are you?
I see you. Hold on.
Where are you?
Yo.
I'm the mimic. I'm not Matthew. I'm the mimic. Oh, my this spitter.
You just got blown up.
Help me!
What do I do?
Kill
How do?
him! No! Oh crap! I gotta reload. I need.
Where's my backpack? Where's my backpack?
No! He's got. No, bro! Kill him! Where's my shotgun shells?
Where's my
I'm
backpack?
stuck. Have my backpack right here. Let me get my backpack. Bro, it's invincible. Hey, let me get my backpack, bro. This is my backpack. Oh no, that's mine. Bro, that was mine. No, that was mine. Bro, no, that was mine. That's invincible. Put it down.
Yo. Why am I stuck? Ah! What is that?
Oh god. Oh god. I would really need my flashlight right now.
I just died. Yo. Guys, I'm scared. I'm so scared right now.
I'm coming, boy.
I'm coming, y'all. Can you guys hear me? I'm so scared right now. Matthew! Look behind
Where's
you!
my backpack?
Look behind you, Matthew!
Yo, I see you.
Then what is this? What is that thing?
Bro, who's who?
What is that?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, it's a mimic.
Oh! Watch out! Hey, can y'all land me some shotgun ammo?
I still need.
We gotta go back. Hey, go back to spawn. What is this?
Why did I just
I don't
get
know.
hit?
Take it. Just come on.
Okay.
What is this? I got the rope gun. Bro, someone stole my grappler.
I didn't. Matthew, I'm so scared right now. I need someone to hold my hand. Oh, the exit! I'm free.
I got.
I'm rich. Ah! Oh, I said a word. Matthew, you think I should bleep that out? Matthew?
Kill yourself, bro. You have to kill yourself.
I lost my shotgun and stuff. Yeah, I'm starting over.
Money talks. Money talks. Dirty cash.
Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Oh.
I need a big boy backpack.
Hey. Oh, I got you one right there, Daddy. Get that big boy, Daddy. Hey, give us all shotgun ammo, like hella shotgun ammo.
I need a
And
shotgun
then give
too.
us. Hey, give me 2 shotguns.
I got a flashlight.
Give me 2 shotguns. Wait, what is this? I won't let me get
Scary
anything.
stories to tell in the dark.
Hey, give me a shotgun. I need 2 shotguns. Why? No, you don't need 2.
I need one. God,
It won't let me
man.
get anything else.
God, Matthew.
Where's my shotgun?
God. Turn back
I
around.
gotta give y'all a VIP. Oh yeah, shake it ass, boy.
Hold on, let me try.
Get it. Wait.
Bro, I started twerking in real life.
Oh, yo. No, give me. No. Give me. Yes. Okay. Yes, that's what I want. No, one of it's his. One of them's his. Yeah, both of these revolvers are mine.
Alright.
Alright, it won't let me get any more ammo. Alright, hey, let me get some, bro.
I just need one more.
Hey, bro. Alright, y'all ready? Is this one mine?
Yeah, I'm
Yep.
ready. How do I know if it's ready to shoot?
It's ready, alright, bro.
That's a weird looking thing.